Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, Menalipe Amazzone. Unknown, 17th century Italian, oil on canvas, 17th century. Oil on canvas, 17th century, with strong wall presence. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal is classical and theatrical, with a narrative subject that brings movement, scale and art historical energy to the wall. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details: classical drama, dynamic composition, art historical subject. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Oil on canvas is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation and a clear route to inquiry. Visit atlantiques.co.uk, review the artwork page, and contact Atlantiques Gallery to request information or make an offer.